Hi guys, it's Chris at the Ultimate Recycler. I found this out the front of my shop today. It had been left for, obviously someone had forgotten about it or didn't like it. I presume it's a milkshake. It looks like it was a chocolate milkshake. And rather than just tip it out, I thought, well, why not feed it to the worms? So normally if I pick something up like this, or most people would tip it out maybe down the drain or wash it down the sink, and consequently you're wasting water. And then who knows what they do with the container. Now, as you all know, I'm big on recycling. Unfortunately, the straw can't be recycled. They're made from, I think it's polypropylene, and they're too fine to go through the normal curbside collection because they just can't be handled in the recycling machinery. So that'll have to go to landfill, unfortunately. But with this milkshake, let's tip it in this garden bed here. So at least I'm not wasting water washing it down the sink. And there's a little bit of chocolate there we'll try and get out. So that can now go in the recycle bin. It's PP, which is polypropylene, but at least it's large enough that can actually be recycled. And we'll put the cover back over this and we'll check it and see if the worms get into the milkshake. Okay, it's been 6 days. Let's see if the worms enjoyed their chocolate milkshake. Oh yep, look at that. Just goes to show they'll have a go at anything. So we'll scratch around in here for a bit. There's lots of worms there. Yep, they're loving it. So no issues there with tipping an old milkshake into your garden or your worm farm. I wouldn't do it in perhaps a small enclosed worm farm, and I certainly don't suggest you go and buy your worms chocolate milkshakes. But the whole idea is that I just feed everything to them and just check that there's no issues. They do certainly come along and eat the bacteria that gets in there. Dairy products just appear to be no problems at all, certainly in an open garden bed like this. So I didn't waste any water washing it down the sink. I disposed of this chocolate milkshake in a way that's helped my garden fertility, and the container has gone into the recycle bin. So the only issue was the straw, but I'm happy that I processed it this way. Very good, just a quick video this time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'll come up with next. Okay, cheerio.